Hey there, have you everly checked your bank statement and you see the whole money that has entered into your account and you check your savings, you can't find anything? Just like me. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you step by step how you can save more of your money using even your smartphone app. This is the exact way I've been able to save over 400,000 in the last 6 months. Make sure you watch the video to the end. I'm going to be sharing with you 2 tips that have helped me to effectively save my money, and I'll share with you 2 books that I've read that helped my saving habits. Are you excited? Let's go right into this video. God's way to go here. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I teach you how you can become more digitally productive, make money, and have good success in life. If it's your first time of coming to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe, and to my returning viewers, welcome back, and make sure you like this video so that it can be of much help to other people on YouTube. Having said that, let's go right into this video. Alright guys, the app that I use in saving money is Piggyvest. I'm sure if you're from Nigeria, you already know this app if you're interested in your finance. I'm going to be showing you the strategy I use in saving money, okay? I'll explain all the ones on Piggyvest and the best way to use it, and I will show you the one I'm using myself personally. Okay guys, so right now I am on my Piggyvest, okay? Right here I'm going to click on the savings. So if you go to your savings, you are going to see Piggy Bank, you will see Safe Lock, you will see Targets, you will see Flex, and you will see Dollar and Pocket app. Okay, these are the 4 aspects on Piggyvest on your savings. While you have the invest, where you invest money, and you have the app, which is the Pocket app. All right, so let's go to the savings. Now, the first one here is Piggy Savings. Let me explain what this one does for you. This is where you save money automatically, weekly and monthly per annum. All right. So in this Piggy Savings, you can only withdraw your money once in 4 months. Okay. Once in 4 months. So in a whole year, you can only have the chance to withdraw from your Piggy Bank savings only 3 times in a year. All right, you can withdraw any other period in a year, but once you withdraw in that any other period, they are going to charge you 2.5%, okay, of any money you want to withdraw. You can see it right here, 2.5%. They are going to charge you. All right, so let's say you are withdrawing 10,000 naira. From that 10,000 naira, they will charge you 2.5% if it is not on your withdrawal dates. Okay, so I believe you understand that. That is for your Piggy Bank savings. Piggy Bank. Then the next one is Flex Naira. So on Flex Naira, this Flex Naira is just like a normal bank account. Alright, so you can see my Flex Naira, I only have 68 Naira there. So this one you can withdraw anytime, any day, anytime you want. Okay, so if I had completed my BVN, everything on this Flex Naira, they would have given me a bank account. All right, that I can send money directly to this Flex account. Okay, but I've not completed it. You don't need to complete it to use Piggyvest effectively. Okay, so this one is just like where you keep money and you can use it at any time. It's a flexible savings for emergency, free transfer, withdrawal, and it works perfectly fine. Instant, and immediately you withdraw it. Okay, then we have Safe Lock. So right here on Safe Lock, what you do on Safe Lock is that you can get 100,000 and you lock it for a particular amount of time you want. Okay, it's not for saving. You can't save, like you can't do, let me be putting 100 naira, 1,000 naira, 200,000 naira, 5,000 naira. You only bring bulk money. Let's say you bring 200,000 naira. You want to get 13% at the end of the year. So you put it in January. By December, they will add 13% to that your Safe Lock. And the amount of period of time you locked it is the amount of time it will stay there. You can't do anything to it once you lock your Safe Lock. You can't break it. Okay. Then the last one here is Flex Dollar. Flex Dollar here is how you save your money in dollars. Okay. So you can convert And I started using Piggyvest when dollar was around 500 naira per dollar. All right. Right now, dollar is over. Let's see what dollar is at right now. Dollar is 887 naira on Piggyvest. Okay, 887 naira. All right. So if you want to be saving in dollars, so you can, how you do it is just you put your money down here, and they will convert the money you have on your Piggyvest or any of the accounts you choose, and they will convert it to you in dollars. All right. So that is how to do flex savings. So I'm going to be starting to save in dollars from next year January. Okay, then this is the one I use to save money recently, which is target savings. So how does target savings work? So you can see my target savings. So you can see right here, I started this saving on the 17th of December 2022, and my withdrawal date is on 31st of December 2021. This is like a 1 year saving, and they are going to be giving me 9% interest. So you can see so far I have been saving and I've gotten 9 in 230 days. This is the percentage I've gotten. Now I have a target. Look at the target here. The target is to save 3 million naira. All right. Now the way these savings work is, and I've locked it. So the best way to do this target saving is you put your money, and if you want to save it for 4 months, so if it's like a project, okay, so if you are looking, you are going to see right here NYSC project. Okay, this is the money I want to save as I'm leaving NYSC. All right, what I did there, immediately I set it, you can be given option to lock it. Okay, to lock your project. All right, so once you lock it, you can't do anything about it until the day of your withdrawal. So why this is better, I prefer this than lockup. All right, lockup gives you more interest, 13%. Why I like target saving is that you can always be topping up your money. Okay, so if I just click on quick top up now, I'm going to top up my money. All right, so for those of you that want to be saving, I prefer to top up 10,000 naira. Okay, the reason is, if you top up 10,000 naira after every 10 hours, they will give you points. For every 10,000 naira, you get 10 points. But if you are topping up anything less than 10,000 naira, they will only give you 2 points. And that point is worth 10 naira. So far, if you check my points, due to the saving, I'm saving 10,000 naira always. You see my points here, I have 396 points times 10. That is 3,960 naira. Okay? That's why I prefer to save with points. Okay, so if you come here, you click on target savings, then you can click down here. Okay, so you can see you start your own personal target savings, start a public savings, start. So let me just start one which I'll not be using for anything. So I click on start. So you name it, let me say YouTube Studio Investments or YouTube Studio Savings. All right, calculate it. What do you want to use it for? Growing my business. So how much do you want to save in a whole? I'll just, let's say 30,000. Okay, so let me tell you what you should do. Make sure you put the money you are very sure you can save within that period. So one of the mistakes I made when I started my NYSC project is that I don't know if I'll be able to save up to the money I wrote down there, 3 million. So, and if you don't get up to the target you put, you will lose your interest, and all the money you have saved in there, Piggyvest is going to collect 1%. So let's say I put target of 3 million and I wasn't able to get up to 1 million or get up to 2 million. All right. So what Piggyvest is going to do is that they will take 1% of 2 million. So 1% of 2 million should be around 20,000 naira. Okay, around 20,000 naira, and that's big money. Okay, but for me, I consider it, I say it's not big money if they help me to save that amount, because if I didn't have such target savings, I would have maybe used the money for something or something else. So this is it. You put your 30,000 naira. How do you prefer to save? I'll say on daily basis, and I will click on continue. and look at it. They say, how much do you prefer to save? I say, okay, I'm saving 1,000 naira. What time of the day? 4 a.m. Start date today. You can only save from 30 days upwards, so you can see it right here. All right, so primary source of, so you can put the primary source where you want them to collect. So I prefer to put Piggyvest wallet. The reason I'm using Piggyvest Flex wallet is that I don't used to have money there, and I don't want them to be collecting money from my bank directly. All right, because I want to be doing it manually myself. So okay, I'm going to be sharing with you tips that help me to do this thing manually faster. Okay, so that you don't spend your money on something else. So you click on agree this. Okay, so create target. Right now our target is created successfully. Now see the next thing you are going to do once you finish creating your target. So because I want it to be for 30 days, the way it is like this, I can break this savings. All right, I can break it and they will just take 1% of the whole money I saved. Okay, but if I don't want to break it due to temptation, due to many other things can come and want to make you to spend that money, you go to lock. You see what they're telling you? I hereby acknowledge that I cannot be broken until maturity. Okay, maturity is the day of your withdrawal. Okay, so you just write something, save. You put your password and you lock it. Once you lock it, there is nothing else you can do about that saving. It's locked until the day of your withdrawal. So go and use this and begin to save more of your money. Thank you for watching this video up to this point. 2 books that you should go and read if you are struggling with saving money right now. Number 1 is 21 Laws of Money by Brian Tracy. I read that book in 2020 during the lockdown. The second one is The Richest Man in Babylon. These 2 books will help you, give you the right mindset and information that will help your savings life and culture. All right, here are the tips that have helped me so far as a copper to save more money. Apart from earning more money online, the tips that have helped me so far is having multiple bank accounts. Well, that's the first thing. I have an OP account, PalmPay, First Bank, UBA, branch, and many banks accounts, up to 6. All right. One of the bank accounts, my First Bank, I just send money in there. Any money that enters here, I don't spend it. I manually save money from my First Bank to my Piggyvest. So any money I don't want to spend, once it enters my First Bank account, I can't do anything about it. Okay, even though I can use it too, but I don't use it. All right, the only money I spend from is the money from my PalmPay and money from my OPay. This is one of the things that have helped me so much to save money. All right, the second thing is that I reduced my consumption to a very great extent. All right, so I usually don't cook food by myself. I go out to eat, but in the past 1 month I started cooking. I cook my food and put it in the freezer, and for 3 weeks I will not go out to go and eat anything outside for 1 month. I noticed that I saved so much. I mean, I was saving like 50,000 naira before, 40,000 naira, but when I started cooking, I saved 3 times of that money in 1 month. I was like, I've been wasting money, all this one I didn't know. All right, so these are the things that helped me. And for you, the last one is that I don't go out. Once I come back from work, I stay inside the room. I've noticed each time I go out from my house, so I go out with 5,000 naira, I'm coming back with 2,000 naira. And if I stay indoor, I won't spend those money. So once I go out, I spend money. Transport has become more costly for those in Nigeria. All right, so anybody who wants me to come to a place should better send transport. So I believe you got value from this video. Go ahead and start saving money. I'm going to do another video to show the result of my NYC project once I'm done with my NYC. So if you want to get it, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on all your notifications so that you can always get my videos when it drops. Have you liked this video? Before you go, please like it now. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.